Milking dairy animals requires gentle and precise methods to ensure their well-being. Farmers use specialized techniques to extract milk from cows, goats, and other dairy animals. The process involves cleaning the udders, stimulating milk flow, and collecting the milk in hygienic conditions. Proper milking practices are essential to maintain the health of the animals and the quality of the milk. Farmers must be trained to handle dairy animals with care and respect during the milking process. Regular milking schedules help dairy animals stay healthy and prevent discomfort or health issues. The milk obtained from dairy animals is a valuable source of nutrition for humans worldwide. Modern dairy farms use advanced technology to streamline the milking process and improve efficiency. By understanding the methods of milking, we can appreciate the hard work and dedication of dairy farmers. Next time you enjoy a glass of milk, remember the intricate process and care that goes into producing it.